Hi, this is Paul and Sunday. We've been traveling for over 20 years while also working in a crazy, busy emergency department.
In 2017, we started our YouTube channel, P.S. We're on Vacation, for our family and friends to follow along while we travel to beautiful and remote places around the world.
So while working full-time, we were unable to travel as much as we would like to. But now that we're retired, we are ready and excited for a full-time adventure.
Because of our ER experience, we feel like we're able to adapt and look forward to unexpected challenges and surprises that come with traveling.
So, we have the time, we have the travel experience, and a life experience.
And we're
ready to join your team. Let's go.